Hello everyone, and welcome to this gentle 10-minute morning yoga routine for beginners. It's so good to have you here. Starting your day with a little yoga can do wonders for your mind, body, and spirit. It's a beautiful way to stretch out any stiffness, boost circulation, and find a sense of calm and focus before the day's adventures begin. No matter your level of experience, know that you are welcome here. Listen to your body, move at your own pace, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Let's unroll our mats and get started. We'll begin standing with our feet hip-width apart, grounding down through the soles of the feet. Feel the connection to the earth beneath you. As you inhale, lift through the crown of your head, lengthening the spine. Relax your shoulders away from your ears and feel your chest gently open. Bring your hands to your heart center in Anjali Mudra or prayer position and take a moment here to set an intention for your practice. Inhale deeply to lengthen the spine, and as you exhale, gently fold forward from the hips, keeping a soft bend in the knees. Allow your head to release towards the ground and let go of any tension in your neck and shoulders. Feel free to sway gently from side to side, like a willow tree in the breeze. Find stillness in the pose, breathing deeply and feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Come onto your hands and knees in tabletop position, with your wrists aligned below your shoulders and your knees below your hips. As you inhale, move into cow pose by dropping your belly towards the mat, lifting your chest and gaze upwards. Feel your spine lengthening and your heart opening. As you exhale, transition to cat pose by rounding your spine towards the ceiling, tucking your chin towards your chest and drawing your navel inwards. Chapter 4. Downward Facing Dog, also known as Adho Mukha Svanasana, is a full body stretch. From tabletop pose, tuck your toes under and lift your hips up and back, coming into Downward Facing Dog. Keep a soft bend in your knees if your hamstrings feel tight. Press through your palms and spread your fingers wide, creating a strong foundation. Feel a stretch through your entire body, from your wrists to your shoulders, spine, and legs. Breathe deeply and enjoy this invigorating pose. Chapter 5. Low Lunge, or Anjaneyasana, is great for opening the hips. From Downward Facing Dog, step your right foot forward between your hands, coming into a low lunge. Keep your left knee on the ground and your right knee directly above your ankle. As you inhale, lift your chest and sweep your arms overhead, reaching towards the sky. Feel a stretch through your left hip flexor and the front of your left thigh. Breathe deeply and lengthen through your spine. Chapter 6. Warrior 1, or Virabhadrasana 1, is all about cultivating strength. From low lunge, spin your back heel flat to the ground, bringing your back foot to a 45-degree angle. Rise up to standing as you inhale, keeping a deep bend in your front knee. Reach your arms overhead, bringing your palms to touch. Feel the strength in your legs and core as you hold this pose. Breathe deeply and connect to your inner warrior. From Warrior 1, turn your torso to the side, bringing your arms parallel to the floor. Extend your arms in opposite directions, gazing over your front fingertips. Keep your front knee bent and aligned with your front ankle, and your back legs straight and strong. Feel your body opening and expanding in this graceful pose. Focus on your breath and find your center as you hold Warrior 2. From Warrior 2, straighten your front leg and reach your front hand forward as far as you can. Place your hand on your shin, ankle, or a block, depending on your flexibility. Extend your other arm straight up towards the sky, stacking your shoulders and lengthening your spine. Turn your gaze upwards towards your top hand. Feel a deep stretch through your side body, hamstrings, and chest. Come to a seated position on your mat with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, gently fold forward from the hips. Reach for your toes, shins, or ankles, depending on your flexibility. Keep your back as straight as possible, engaging your core to deepen the stretch. Relax your head and neck, releasing any tension. Breathe deeply and find stillness in this calming pose. Lie down on your back with your arms relaxed by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and let your body melt into the mat. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm and let go of any tension you might be holding in your body. Rest here for a few moments, allowing yourself to absorb the benefits of your practice. And there we have it. Wasn't that nice? Remember, even a short yoga practice can make a world of difference in how you feel throughout your day. Try making this routine a part of your daily morning ritual and see how it transforms your mornings. Your mind and body will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more yoga routines and tips. Until next time, take care and keep shining.